is something that can store different data types. It can be integer, float, characters as well as string. List. Now I am inserting different data types in it. 2 as an integer. We will take some float value as well. 5.6 as well some string. Here these values are inserted as stored in list. So we will use this equals. If you print these, all the elements of the list will be printed. Now if you want to know the number of elements stored in the list, you can use len. Print len of the list. This helps in printing all the length, the number of elements present in the list. Now we run the program. Here 3 elements are stored in the list. right?